Hey guys, today we're gonna make raspberry and strawberry smoothie. Now let's start by adding the milk. Wait, I know. I'll just take off with. This raspberries and strawberries. Okay, I need a bunch. And by the way, I'm Armand. I'm just wearing a mask of Batman. And that's too obvious. For you guys to know, you guys already know who I am because I'm wearing a mask. I didn't want blueberry, blueberry. Now we're gonna do it. That's a shame. Okay, now let's just add everything in. And all I'm gonna do is wash my hands. Now we're gonna put on here. Turn it on. Wait, I just need to. Okay, now my smoothie's done and now I'm gonna taste it. They're kind of smooth. Okay. Now nice. That's enough. It tastes delicious. Subscribe, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. And bye, guys. Hey, guys. Today we're avocado sandwich. Crackers, avocado, fork, spoon, and a plate. So let's start by taking out one because I can only eat one because my teeth hurt. Okay, now we're gonna scoop out the avocados. Wait, I know. I need to put it in the bowl. Oh. Okay. I'll just do these left. And one more. Now it's smush time. Now we're gonna smush the avocados. Smush, smush. 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 not done. Okay. Keep doing it on. Now it's time to put on the crackers. I need to smash this. It's attached. Need probably more. Holding the crackers by spreading them.
What are you spreading on your crackers?
Gummy worm.
Gummy worms?
Yes, they're usually gummies, but they have colorful flavors. But they're worms. They look like worms, but they're much more bigger sizes.
Let's try how your sandwich turned out.
Hey. Oh, that's good. It's yummy. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to smash that like button. Bye, guys.